Hey guys, how you doing? Julo here. Happy New Year. Akimashite omedetou gozaimasu. Shinnen koala. Feliz Año Nuevo. Felices Neues Jahr. Hello Kids New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo. That's it. So, yeah, let's start this year with a video that I think is very important for you because having your resolutions ready by the first day of the year is paramount so that you can have a very fulfilled year and accomplish the goals you want to. All right, so before I tell you my goals for this year, I'd like to do a kind of a review of my goals for last year and how I accomplished or didn't accomplish them. Okay, so my first goal for last year was to leave level 0 in Tamil and Greek, modern Greek. Okay, my second goal was to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. My third goal was to learn iOS programming for iOS so I could make software for iPad, iPhone, and also iPad and iPhone, iOS. My fourth goal was to get to intermediate level in guitar. My fifth goal was to get to level one in Aikido. And my sixth goal was to leave Japan. Okay, let's go through this resolutions in order. So for the first one, to leave level 0 in Tamil in Greek, I think I accomplished it because Greek now I finally lost the fear of studying the language. So I see all those letters and all those words and they don't scare me anymore. So I'm starting to feel more comfortable studying the language, even though I don't speak it or anything. But I'm starting to feel the language. So yeah, I think you know what I mean. So I'm no longer afraid of studying Greek. That's the same with Tamil. Finally, I found I found a stable method of learning, so I keep on learning. So I think I accomplished it. My goal number 2 was to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. From this, I learned the basics of HTML and CSS. Unfortunately, I didn't get to JavaScript because I started learning I started learning a language. By the time I added the video, remembered Bootstrap. I started learning Bootstrap. There was one course before JavaScript, so then I stopped Bootstrap as well. So from these 3 languages I learned 2. I think it's very, very positive. And then I wanted to get to an intermediate level of guitar. So as much as it happens with languages, whenever I learn something, I like to have a solid method. So I had this course that I bought online on Hotmart, and I kept on following all that curriculum. And I finally got to a point where I can read music. I know basic music theory, basic harmony. So now I stopped trying to look for chords for songs I like. I just listen to them and figure out how to improvise. So I think I got very comfortable playing the guitar. So I'm enjoying the guitar finally. At least I'm enjoying myself playing the guitar, so I don't have to look for help on the internet how to play a song. I mean, most songs, at least pop music, or the kind of music I like to play. So, okay, so the next one was first level in Aikido, and I accomplished it. And my next goal when I get to the part for this year, and my last resolution was to leave Japan. Unfortunately, I couldn't accomplish it because of my family. Because I did receive some offers to leave Japan, more specifically to go to Malaysia, go to some countries in Europe. But just couldn't leave my family behind. Yeah, but that's it. Okay, let's go for this year. So also based on what I did this year, last year. So let's go for my goals for this year. Okay. So my resolution for 2023 is get to 20 languages. Actually, I think I got pretty close to those, but that doesn't mean necessarily that we're speaking all of them fluently at C1, C2 level. But in some of those, I'm already at a level that allows me to study comfortably, like Polish, Russian, Hebrew, Swedish, and Cantonese. I'm enjoying the learning journey. So I'm just enjoying the languages. So I hope to hit 50 languages. Sorry, 20 languages by the time I hit 50, which is going to be this year. So my resolution for this first one. The second one will be to learn Python. Also for my professional thing. Yeah, for professional purposes, and because it's something that I wanted to do last year, but I couldn't accomplish it. So I'm going to learn Python. That one I have to learn. And based also on what I said before about guitar, I want to get to an advanced level in guitar. So what I'm doing right now, I passed on this online course that I'm doing. I entered the intermediate level 1, intermediate level part 1. My goal is to get to the part 2 of intermediate course, and hopefully by the end of this year get to advanced guitar. But if I can get to intermediate, last part of intermediate guitar, I'll be satisfied. But yeah, let's set the bar a little higher. So let's get to advanced guitar, because if you're too easy on yourself, most of the time you accomplish nothing, because we as human beings are very lazy. So we gotta set a higher goal so that we can get a better result. Okay, so my goal 4 is actually I'm pretty excited about it. So is to get the black belt in Aikido and Judo. And as for Judo, the place where I've been practicing right now, my instructor said that I could try that maybe in May. This is going to be a competition here in Kyoto. I'm going to partake in. Apparently, there's a system whereby if you win the competition, they give you the black belt. I don't know how it works, but anyway, I'm going to try this year. Or at least get to level 1 in Judo, because in Brazil, back in Brazil, I didn't have a black belt. And here I have no Q, no level in Judo. So if I take this test once, I get to level 1, which is, I think, is brown belt. And then Shodan, so black belt. And also to Aikido. Aikido, to be honest, I passed the test in last December, but I didn't have enough hours to get to the level itself, so I have to wait. And apparently I have to take another test, maybe March. But by maybe June or the latest September, I'll get the black belt in Aikido. So I hope. And there's another thing I didn't tell you. So actually I started doing karate too, because I thought of taking more judo lessons a week, but I couldn't find a place. So I decided to take karate instead. So I'm practicing Goju Ryu Karate. And it starts at level 10. When I get to level 6, I'll get the yellow belt after 3 tests. So I hope to do that but this year. So yeah, yellow belt in karate too. And I think that's it. So this is what are my goals for this year. And how about you? So don't forget to let your goals below in the comments, and please support this channel and my learning in martial arts and languages. Program a lot of stuff that as you can see I'm learning. So please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe this channel. You can also support me on Patreon. And that's it. So okay, I wish you really a blessed year, full of accomplishment, and as I said before in the video, so make sure to have a solid goal for you, because otherwise the year will pass, you have done nothing. So thanks for watching this video. See you next video. Bye bye.